Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Language Routine. Before we start our story today, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our daily routines. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Are you ready to improve your English? Let's dive into today's story. The Secret of the Old Map. Part 1. The Discovery. Thomas was a young man who lived in a small, quiet town in England. He was 25 years old and worked in a local library. Thomas loved books. He thought that books were the best way to travel the world without leaving his house. Every day, he saw many people in the library, but he was a shy person. One cold Tuesday morning, while Thomas was cleaning the oldest part of the library, he found something strange. It was a very old, dusty book. He opened it carefully. Inside the book, there was a map. It did not look like a normal map of the town. It was a map of a hidden forest with a large red X near a river. This is very interesting, Thomas thought. He looked at the map for a long time. He knew he had to find this place. Part 2. The Journey Begins. The next day, Thomas decided to start his journey. He took his backpack and put some important things inside: a bottle of water, some bread, a camera, and of course, the old map. He left his house early in the morning. The sun was coming up and the sky was a beautiful orange color. First, he walked through the town center. He saw the baker making fresh bread and children going to school. Then, he entered the large forest. The trees were very tall and green. He followed the path on the map. He walked for many hours. Sometimes he felt tired, but he did not stop. He wanted to see what was at the X. After 4 hours, he heard a sound. It was the sound of water. "The river!" he shouted. He ran toward the sound. Part 3. An Unexpected Friend. While Thomas was looking at the map near the river, he saw a young woman. She was sitting on a rock and drawing in a notebook. "Hello," she said. "Are you lost? People don't usually come to this part of the forest." "Hi," Thomas replied. "I am not lost. I am looking for a special place. My name is Thomas." "I am Elena," she said. "I am an artist. I love this forest because it is very quiet and peaceful. Can I see your map?" Part 4. The Secret Garden. Thomas and Elena decided to work together. They walked along the river for another hour. They talked about their lives. Finally, they saw a large wall of stones and green plants. Behind the plants, there was a small wooden door. Thomas pushed the door, and it opened with a loud noise. Creak! When they stepped inside, they could not believe their eyes. It was a garden, but it was the most beautiful garden in the world. There were flowers of every color: red, blue, purple, and yellow. "We found it," Elena whispered. "The secret garden." Part 5. A New Beginning. In the center of the garden, they saw an old box. Thomas opened the box slowly. Inside, there was no gold or money. There were hundreds of old letters and photographs. They were stories of love, friendship, and hope. When they returned to the town, Thomas did not go back to his shy life. He and Elena organized a special exhibition at the library. Everyone was very excited to learn about their history. The old map changed Thomas's life forever. He learned that sometimes you just need to follow a path to find a great adventure. Just follow the path.